Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Healthy Samayal. Today I am going to prepare pan pizza at home in a pan without using a oven. In a bowl, add half cup of warm milk. Make sure that it is not too hot. Add 1 tablespoon of yeast, pinch of sugar, and mix it well. Sugar helps in activating the yeast. I am taking 1.5 cup of maida, salt to taste, and mix the salt with the flour. Once it is mixed well, now just add this maida into our milk mixture. Now just mix it well. Add some water if needed and make it into a soft dough. Make sure that the dough is not too hard. It should be soft enough. Add few drops of oil or olive oil. Now our pizza dough is ready. Let it rest for 2 hours. After 2 hours, it doubles in size. Now again knead the dough so that the air bubbles is escaped out of this dough. Take a plate, sprinkle some flour, spread it over. Take a pizza dough and just spread it with your fingers. As I am going to make the pizza base in a pan, I am making it into a thin roll. Now just poke it with a fork so that it cooks well from inside. Add the pizza sauce. I am adding a pizza sauce which is made at home. If you want, you can just check out the description box. I have given a link. It is very easy to prepare it. Decorate it with some onions, tomatoes, you can even add some capsicum, add some mushroom pieces, sprinkle the cheese, by adding more cheese you can enhance the taste of your pizza. Now just preheat the pan. I am using a non-stick pan. Now transfer it into the pan. Now just cover it with a lid and let it cook until the cheese melts. Now our pizza is ready. Now you can do pizza instantly at home in a fresh way. Even though we have cooked this pizza in a pan, it will be cooked very well from inside. Sprinkle some pizza oregano. It gives an extra taste. Sprinkle some red chili flakes. Our instant, fresh and homemade pizza is ready. Just using a non-stick pan, you can easily prepare this pizza. Try this wonderful recipe at your home. Surely kids enjoy eating them. While purchasing yeast, just check for the expiry date. Wow, it came out so well. It's really loaded with cheese. Your yeast won't get activated if it is outdated one. So make sure and check the expiry date. Just give a try. It tastes really awesome. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to Healthy Samayal. Eat healthy, stay healthy.